So good afternoon all. I welcome you all in this 70 lecture of data structures and algorithm. We are learning about graphs and we are in fifth unit of this syllabus. Right now the strength is very low. Only 18 people are added now. What is the reason? It could be a last lecture. That's why.
पता नहीं सर.
Or in previous lecture was also the same strength was there.
29 कुछ ऐसी थी. 29 30 होगी. इतने ही थे एवरेज.
So we are starting. We are not wasting our time already. We are late actually. So in last lecture, I have started spanning tree. I think my screen is visible now. I'm going to share my screen. Screen is visible now.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have started the spanning tree in the last lecture. That is, can anybody tell me what is a spanning tree? Very important question is
Sir,
this. Yes, please. It is.
Sir, it is a graph in which we just remove a edge from that graph and it forms to be a type of tree.
Good. It is a graph, but we try to find out some of the edges that from that graph in order to make it a tree. So what we are going to delete actually?
Cycles.
Cycles. Very good. So we are trying to remove the cycles from the graph. Okay. Some of the properties of the graph we have seen. For that, first of all, we required a connected and undirected graph. Some properties we have seen, like 4 basic requirements are there for a particular graph to become a spanning tree. Can anybody tell me that 4 basic things?
So it should be a connected graph.
First of all, it should be a connected. Very good.
Number of
It
vertices
does
should be
not
same.
contain the
साइकिल
number of
नहीं होना
cycles.
चाहिए.
Cycle should not be there. 2. Very good.
It should have the same vertices as the given graph.
Same vertices होनी चाहिए. Very good. Number of vertices should be same that has been given to us in the given graph.
अगर सर हम
And sir, the number of edge should be one less than the given graph.
सर एक मैं बता दूं.
One less than the given.
Vertex.
So not one, it could be less than also, but it should be less than the given.
What given? Number of edges are less than the given number of edges.
Vertex, sir. If n is vertex, then n minus 1 will be the edges.
That is what the thing is.
Yes, sir.
ये मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था. हाँ बेटा बताओ.
If we remove any one edges, the graph should be disconnected.
Should not be disconnected बेटा. This should not be disconnected. Okay. हाँ लास्ट इन दैट लेक्चर आई हैव आल्सो डिस्कस कि ये प्रॉब्लम थी जो हमेशा स्टूडेंट करते हैं. वो ये प्रॉब्लम अभी रिपीट हुई. आपने देखा लाइक I think Divyanshi was there, so he was saying that it has the number of edges which are lesser than the given number of edges. No, it is not so. It will have the number of edges that are equals to number of vertices minus 1. It is n minus 1. If number of vertices are n, then it will be number of edges will be n minus 1. ये मैंने लिखा भी था यहाँ पर. Please remember this. If vertex are n, then wedges will be n minus 1, not e minus 1. ये मैंने बताया भी था कि जो स्टूडेंट्स हम गलती क्या करते हैं, प्लीज है ना. सो इस चीज को ध्यान रखें. इट इज नॉट सो कि इट विल बी e minus 1, इट विल बी n minus 1. जल्दबाजी में हम सब सही करके आते हैं, लिखने में गलती करते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द 4 बेसिक थिंग्स वी रिक्वायर. टोटल नंबर ऑफ the maximum number of the spanning trees for a complete graph will be n to the power n minus 2. ये भी हमने देखा था. Okay, applications we have seen, and that application of home circuit I have discussed, and then we have come on to the minimum cost spanning tree. For that we required a weighted graph, and weighted graph, it means every edge must be assigned a specific positive number of positive number even. Okay, and in that case we will try to find out the spanning tree which will be having the minimum cost. Okay, for an example I have taken this one also. Like suppose 1, 2, 3 is the sides of each edges. So second one is the minimum cost spanning tree. That is known as MST. Okay. Among the 3 available spanning trees, 5, 3, 4, middle one is the minimum cost spanning tree. And one more example here we have taken. Now we will see how we got that particular spanning tree. So first one that is given to us is a connected undirected graph. And second one we have obtained will be a minimum spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree, or it is also known as minimum spanning tree. Okay, so now for that we will learn 2 algorithms, Kruskal algorithm and Prim's algorithm. Okay, so 2 algorithms, almost they are same with a little difference. Okay, so we are starting with the first one, Kruskal algorithm. Okay, suppose this is a graph given to us. So it's a connected graph first of all, or not?
Connected graph.
Yes, sir, it is connected graph.
And it is connected graph, and it is having weights on every edge. So it is a weighted graph too. So weights are given for every pair of vertices, for every edge we can say. And first step for this Kruskal algorithm is to make a edge list. To make a edge list. Edge list is a list that is containing the weights of every edge. Okay, so I have started. How many edges are there? Actually, you can count over there. That is around 12 edges are there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12 edges are there, and I have put all the weights of every edge in this list, and that list is known as edge list. Is it okay? So edge list is there. So this is known as actually edge list. Okay, so that list I need to prepare, and then second one I have left it blank because I am going to sort it. Okay, we will sort this list, edge list, okay, in this new list. So हम इसको यहीं solve कर लेते हैं. So tell me the smallest weight of the edge is
1.
And how many edges are there of this kind?
2.
2 edges are there. So I am putting all those edges in this. Okay. So then 2 is there, and I am putting this one. 2, this 2, this 2. Then
3.
3.
It is only 1. Then 4.
1. 2.
Then 5.
There is one more 4, sir. Niche.
One more phone. Okay.
Third last.
Okay. And it is 5. I think it is
Only 1.
5. No more 5 is there. Then 6. How many 6 are there? It's 1 only.
Only 1.
Then 7. Then
Only
8.
1.
Then
Only
10.
1. Only 1.
So in this way we have sorted the list. Okay. So this is sorted edge list. Actually, you can say that it's a sorted edge list. Edge list. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to make a skeleton of the graph which is given to us. Look at that graph and remember it in your mind. Okay. So सबसे पहले जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट स्टेप जो होगा, हमारे पास स्केलेटन बनाना होगा. स्केलेटन मींस कि ऑल द वर्टिसेस शुड बी देयर. अ ग्राफ विद ऑल द वर्टिसेस विद द गिवन ग्राफ. सो आई हैव मेड अ स्केलेटन. लुक एट दैट. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास इट्स विद, मैंने इसमें v2 लिख दिया है बाय चांस. ओके, सो आई हैव टू चेंज इट. सो मैं इसको बाद में चेंज कर लूंगा. लेट इट बी एज इट इज. तो हम इसको कंसीडर कर रहे हैं अभी V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7. Is it okay? I will change it before uploading it. Okay. So initially it is V1, V2. So this one is V1, this one is V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, and V7. Okay. So first edge I will pick over there. First edge is which is smallest edge, because I have already told you कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ. ओके, हम शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ भी ये इसका एक एप्लीकेशन है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, लाइक इसमें ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि मिनिमम कॉस्ट हमें निकालना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू एक्चुअली, वी विल बिकम अ ग्रीडी हियर in this sense ki we will pick the edge which has the smallest weight. Okay, so in this, which edge has the smallest weight? Two edges I have there, so I have two options actually, v1 v4 or v6 v7. Is it okay or not? So v1 and v4 है ना, v1 and v4 is the first edge and this one is the second edge that we can pick from the edge list. So what we are going to do is, first of all, I am going to pick this particular edge. Say, you can also pick this one, no issue in that. So I am becoming greedy and I want to pick the edge which has the smallest weight, as I am going to find out the minimum cost spanning tree. Okay, so minimum के लिए मुझे smallest चीज ही चाहिए होगी. So then I will pick the another one. So as soon as I have got this, so this will be like striked out, and then I will pick the next one. So definitely this second I will be selected, second one will be selected. Okay, so let us start with the first one. First of all, I am picking this edge. Is it okay if I have picked up this edge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it has the smallest.
Yes, sir. Because it's created.
Or it has the top of the edge list. Then next edge I will pick. This edge will remain as it is now in the second diagram. Now I will pick the second edge, that is v6 to v7. In my given graph, it is v6 to v7. So I will pick the second edge. Okay. Now third edge will be, tell me, v1
Having
to
weight 2.
V1 to V2.
v1 to v2.
v1 to v2. Okay, while picking up the edge, one thing we need to take care that whenever I am going to add the new edge, it will not create a, you tell me what it will not create.
Cycle.
Yes, so be careful that if new edge will be added into the graph, be sure it will not create a cycle. If it is creating a cycle, then that edge will be discarded. That is the only thing we need to take care in this algorithm, Krishna algorithm. Okay, and is it okay to all this point? So right now, first edge I have selected v1 to v4. Second edge I have selected to v2 to v6 to v7. Are they creating a cycle at all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I can pick this. Now third one is actually the edge with two weights, and I am having two options, v1 to v2 and v3 to v4. So v1 to v2, can I add directly? Will it be create a cycle?
No, sir.
No. So I will add that particular edge also. Okay. So this one I have added in the third diagram, v1 to v2. Then next I will see which edge is there, v3 to v4. v3 to v4. Will it create a cycle in this graph?
No, sir.
No. So I will add
No,
that
sir.
one also. So मैं इसको भी add कर लूँगा. Okay. So next edge will be v1 to v2. हमने चारों edge initial वाली add कर चुके हैं. Okay. So this one also included, this one also included, this one also included. Now next one is v2 to v4. v2 to v4.
साइकिल बना देगी.
With the edge weight 3. So will like क्या हम इस edge को add करेंगे अब? v2
No,
to
sir.
v4.
नहीं करेंगे.
Okay, so we will neglect that edge. So next edge जो add होने वाली है वो कौन सी है अब आप बताएं? I will discard this edge because it creates a cycle. Now next edge is v1 to v3. v1 to v3, that is of the weight 4. Will it create a cycle in this?
No.
In this graph, v1 to v3 क्या ये cycle create करेगी? नहीं. So मेरी जो next figure होगा उसमें हमारे पास ये वाली edge add होगी. Okay? Is it okay?
Why we discarded v3 v4? Is it creating a cycle?
Yes. v2 to v4 we have discarded because it is creating a cycle.
No,
Because
sir, we have two twos now. Then we have, for the first two we have v1 to v2, and then second two we have v3 to v4.
Yes.
Then why we are not putting that edge in the graph?
Not getting you. We have put it both the edges of 2 weight. We have added both the edges of that weight 2 and 2. Look at that again. v1 to v2 we have added. Then V6 to
V6
V7
to
we had
V7.
7 added. Then V1 to V2 we have added. Okay, and then that is V2.
Okay.
That in 4 diagram I have added to V3 to V4. Please consider it as a 3 and 4 vertex. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will not. मैंने ये बनाते हुए copy paste तो कर दिया लेकिन वो ध्यान नहीं रहा. This is 3. Actually, this is 4. This is 5. For this time, for this particular, like for now, you will not have any doubt. तो ये हम कर लेते हैं. You will not get confused. Okay, so it is V3 to V4 हमने यहाँ पर put करी edge. Now next edge is V2 to V4. V2 to V4 that will create a cycle. That's why I am not including it. Now I am having two options: V1 to V3 and V4 to V7 actually. For a particular weight for weight 4, I am having two options. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So which one
Yes,
I will
sir.
include? So
V4 to V7.
will V1 V3 will be added?
No, sir.
No,
Why
sir,
not?
it will create a cycle.
Again it will create a cycle actually. So V1 से V3 यदि हम ऐड करते हैं तो cycle create होगी. यहाँ पर देखें आप. In diagram 4 you can see that V1 to V3 will also again create a cycle. So V2 to V4 creates a cycle. V1 to V3 creates a cycle. Then I will add the next edge, that is V2 to V7. Okay. In this diagram you can see that I have added the edge with V2 to V7. Yes or no?
V7.
V4 to V7.
V4 to V7.
Sorry. V4 to V7. It is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have discarded two edges and this edge now have been added. V4 to V7. Next one is V3 to V6. V3 to V6.
Connect कर देंगे.
Will it be creating a cycle? Look at that edge.
No.
No, sir.
So we will add that one also. V3 to V6.
So that's V5 to V7.
Yes.
Okay. So actually it was creating a cycle. V3 to V6 is creating a cycle.
It's creating a square or parallelogram type shape. It is
With 4 edges.
मैं भी सुन के गड़बड़ कर देता हूँ कई बार. So it is creating a cycle actually. So as V3 to V6 भी यहाँ पर cycle create करेगी. यदि मैं ये edge add करूँ तो it will also create a cycle. So what next I need to see, मुझे उसके बाद देखना पड़ेगा actually, है ना? So this will also be discarded. This edge will also be discarded. Now V5 to V7 is there, and that is this one. V5 to V6, this one edge. V5 to V7, and it will not create a cycle. Yes, it will not. तो ये हम यहाँ ऐड कर देंगे. Is it okay? So now.
Okay, sir.
No. Okay, done. So अब look at that again. After that, V5 and V7 we have added. So next what? V4 V5. क्या ये cycle create करेगी? V4 V5.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
V4 to V5.
Yes.
Yes, sir. करेगी.
Yes, sir. करेगी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then V4 हम इसको भी discard करेंगे. Okay. Then V4 to V6, will it create a cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will discard it. V2 to V5, will it create a cycle?
V2 to V5.
Look at that.
Show the
Yes, sir.
image.
No, sir.
V2
No,
to
sir.
V5.
V4
Yes.
to V5.
It will
Will
create a.
create a
Yes,
Aregi.
yes, it will create.
Okay, very good. It will create a cycle. So that is the only thing we need to take care, that it will be creating a cycle or not. So this will also be discarded. So our final graph is this, figure number 6. So now look at that. Is it connected?
Yes, connected है.
What is the definition of connected?
We can reach one vertex through another vertices.
Very
We
good.
can reach all vertices with another.
Very good.
another
We can
vertex.
reach one vertex. From one vertex I can reach to any other vertex. मैं किसी एक vertex पे खड़ा हूँ तो मैं किसी दूसरे vertex पे जा सकता हूँ. किसी भी दूसरे vertex पे जा सकता हूँ. So it is a connected. Now look at that. How many vertices are there? Is it equal
Same
to the
number of vertex.
same number of
Seven.
vertices? And how many number of edges it has?
6.
6.
So it is 7 minus 1. Number of vertices minus 1. Is it so or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a minimum spanning tree of the given graph. Minimum spanning tree of the given graph. With the weight.
Sir,
Weight क्या है इसका? Weight भी हम निकाल लेते हैं. Look at that next diagram. This is the weight actually, the corresponding minimum spanning tree of the weight. Now weight is 2 plus 1 plus 2, it's 5, 1, 6, 4, 10 and 16.
16.
16.
So minimum spanning tree is 16, of the weight is 16. So for this given graph, जो हमें दिया गया था, minimum spanning tree जो होगा, उसका weight होगा 16. Is it okay? Is this algorithm is clear?
सर वो एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, पूछ
हाँ.
सकता हूँ सर? ऐसे किसी वर्टेक्स का वो एज का वेट है 20, 30 है, तो और एक वे एज है जो कि साइकिल क्रिएट कर रही है बट उसका वेट है बहुत लो 1, 2, तो हम उसमें से किस एज को चॉइस करेंगे?
साइकिल नहीं बननी चाहिए बस, है ना?
हाँ,
हमें ये ध्यान रखना, साइकिल नहीं बननी चाहिए बस, दैट्स इट. वेट अब कुछ भी हो, साइकिल नहीं बननी चाहिए. Weight does not matter here. We have neglected the weight of 3 here and we have added the weight of 5, 6 even. हमने 6 को भी ऐड किया है, 3 को छोड़ दिया हमने. क्यों छोड़ा? क्योंकि वो साइकिल क्रिएट कर रही है.
ओके सर.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
sir, at the beginning, sir, we have taken the V1, V2 edge, sir. Can we also take the V6, V7 edge, sir? I was not able to listen at that time.
We can take. You can take
According
any.
to
Yes.
that, we can solve then.
Yes, you can take any edge. Either you can take V6, V7 or you will take V1, V4. Do not,
Okay.
है ना? Don't matter at all. जहां पर भी क्लैशिंग है, जहां पर भी whenever you have a weights of same weight, okay, multiple weight edges of same weights, then you can pick in any order. It is not in the only in the starting. It could be in the middle also. आप बीच में भी कहीं पर अटक रहे हैं, जैसे हमारे पास यहाँ पर था, देखिए V1, V3 4 weight and V4, V7 4 weight. So I can take any one of them in any order. We can take it. Okay. जरूरी नहीं है स्टार्टिंग में, हम कहीं पर भी किसी भी ऑर्डर में ले सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Now let me clear one thing. As soon as I have added the last edge in the diagram number 6, actually हमारा प्रोग्राम यहीं खत्म हो गया था, हमारी एल्गोरिथम यहीं खत्म हो गई थी. कोई बता सकता है रीजन?
सर सभी दो वर्टेक्सेस पर पहुंच गए ना, एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हैं.
नहीं. और
So after we will add some edges, then it will make a cycle. So that will not be Kruskal's algo.
okay, नहीं, what I am saying is कि as soon as I have added this edge, last edge V2, V5 to V7, okay, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया था. So I need not to look after that. मुझे इसके बाद देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी एक्चुअली यहाँ के बाद.
So because edges sir एक less than होगी ना vertex
In
पे.
the diagram, you can see if we are going to join any another edge, then it is going to make a cycle.
हाँ, नहीं वो तो ठीक है ना? आप वो भी सही बात है, लेकिन एक और इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो क्या है, आपका आंसर क्या है इसका एक्चुअल में, कि नंबर ऑफ एजेस अभी 6 हो चुकी हैं जो कि एक्चुअल में होनी चाहिए थी.
Yes, sir, that's all.
7 vertices हैं and I have added 6 edges, that's it. So you need not to move ahead after that. As soon as you have got 6 number of edges in your diagram, then you need not to move ahead, you need not to check further. But secondly, there will be a cycle if I am going to add the another edge. मैं जब भी नई edge add करूँगा तो cycle बनेगी, ये भी सही है. Okay. So now this is a simple algorithm of this. First of all, what we need to do is we need to remove all the loops and parallel edges. Yes, that is another important thing, that graph should not have loops and parallel edges actually, because this is very simple. Can anybody give me the reason of that? लूप और पैरेलल एजेस क्यों हटाए हम यहाँ से, बताओ?
कनेक्टेड हो जाएगा ना।
लूप और या फिर पैरेलल एजेस यदि हमारे ग्राफ में है तो हम उसको पहले से ही रिमूव क्यों कर दें बिफोर
सर वो
स्टार्टिंग?
साइकिल बना देगा।
डेफिनेटली वो साइकिल क्रिएट करेगा फ्यूचर में जाकर के, तो हम उसको कंसीडर वैसे भी नहीं करने वाले हैं. सो वी विल रिमूव वन एज आउट ऑफ पैरेलल एजेस व्हिच विल हैव द लार्जर वेट. ओके, हम वही एज रखेंगे जिसका वेट दोनों में से स्मॉल है. लाइक सपोज एक पैरेलल एजेस हैं दो, उनमें एक का वेट 5 है एक का वेट 2 है, तो हम 2 वाली एज ही रखेंगे, 5 वाली को हम ऑटोमेटिकली रिमूव कर देंगे. सिमिलरली लूप यदि कोई है तो लूप को तो डायरेक्टली रिमूव कर ही देंगे. लूप तो ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ साइकिल. Then what we will do, we will create a edge list of the given graph with the weights. Edge list जो हमने बनाई थी स्टार्टिंग में, this one is the edge list. हम edge list बनाएंगे. Then what we have done, we have arranged all the edges in the increasing order of the weight, sort the edge list. Okay. Now draw all the nodes to create a skeleton of the spanning tree. हमने वही किया. First जो मेरा diagram था यहाँ पर हमने spanning tree का skeleton बनाया. That is known as a skeleton. Actually, what you are seeing right now on your screen, skeleton means ki all the vertices should be there without any edge. Okay, skeleton we have created. Then add the edge with the which has the least weight. हमने वही edge add करी जिसका weight least था. It means the topmost of the edge list. Remove the edge from the list. Then connect the vertices in the skeleton with that edge. If by connecting the cycle. If by connecting a cycle is created, then we need to discard that particular edge, and then we have to repeat the step number 5, 6, 7 till the number of edges will be n-1, number of vertices -1. So that is simple enough to understand, I think. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now coming on to the second one, that is Prim's algorithm, which is very much similar to that with a single change. Okay. अब हमें इसमें और उसमें क्या फर्क है? Like look at that graph. Figure number 2 I am talking about. Figure number 2 creates in which I can say that it is a forest. Yes or no? I am saying that figure 2 is a forest. क्या ये forest है?
फॉरेस्ट तो नहीं है.
What is a forest actually?
Sir,
Trees.
group of
Tree
trees.
Group of trees. तो क्या ये V1 V2 एक ट्री है एंड V3 V5 V7 भी एक ट्री है?
है तो सही.
So,
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है बेटा ट्री?
सर इसमें एज आ रही है ना.
तो ट्री में एज नहीं आती क्या?
आती है ना.
क्या ये ट्री नहीं है एक?
Sir, it is.
ये क्या ट्री है कि नहीं है?
It is a tree, sir.
Okay. So now look at that. In Kruskal, forest will be created. Forest can be created, you say. Okay. Not necessarily कि हमेशा create हो, but in Kruskal, forest can be created. It means कि we are picking up the edges as per the given list only. हम लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चलते जा रहे हैं और एज पिक करते जा रहे हैं. बट इन प्रिम्स क्या होगा? प्रिम्स में फॉरेस्ट क्रिएट नहीं होगा. अब फॉरेस्ट क्रिएट नहीं होगा तो क्या मतलब है इसका बताइए? मैं ये भी कह सकता हूँ कि नाउ लुक एट दैट फॉरेस्ट. क्या ये ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड है? सेकंड फिगर यू सी,
yes, sir.
है ना?
यस सर, डिस्कनेक्टेड है.
डिस्कनेक्टेड है. तो ट्री का फॉरेस्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? डिस्कनेक्टेड ग्राफ है वो.
Yes, sir.
सो अब प्रिम्स में डिस्कनेक्टेड नहीं होगा ग्राफ. इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट्स पे भी ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड नहीं होगा. क्रस्कल का ये ड्रॉबैक था कि हम जब कहते हैं कि हमारा ग्राफ बीच में डिस्कनेक्टेड नहीं होना चाहिए, पूरी डेफिनेशन में हमने सुना कि हम कनेक्टेड रहेंगे, लेकिन इन मिडिल स्टेप्स वी आर गेटिंग सम ग्राफ्स दैट आर डिस्कनेक्टेड. So to avoid this particular problem in Kruskal, okay, we have the Prim's method in which we will try. We will yes, we will. Let me finish first. In Prim's, we will not get the disconnected graphs even in the middle of our algorithm or in the intermediate steps. You can see, हम intermediate steps में भी disconnected graphs नहीं create करेंगे Prim's के अंदर.
सर
Yes,
हेलो
now you can ask.
सर
But
जैसे
we need to
डिस्कनेक्टेड ग्राफ में डिस्कनेक्ट वो ट्री हम फॉरेस्ट बना रहे हैं ट्रीज का, तो उसमें सर साइकिल भी क्रिएट हो सकता है ना, क्योंकि आपने कहा कि वर्टेक्स ईच वर्टेक्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए, तो उसमें साइकिल भी बन सकता है, वो भी तो फॉरेस्ट है सर।
मुझे नहीं क्वेश्चन समझ में आया बेटा आपका। साइकिल तो क्रिएट हुआ ही नहीं ना यहाँ पर कभी अभी तक। In this, like we are not creating a cycle. In this whole algorithm, we have seen that we are removing those edges which will not create a cycle. So how it will be creating a cycle? Whether it is connected or disconnected.
सर कनेक्टेड होगा, लेकिन उसमें फॉरेस्ट भी बनना चाहिए।
किसमें?
जब हम एक ट्री को दूसरी ट्री से जोड़ेंगे तो उसमें साइकिल तो क्रिएट नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन फॉरेस्ट बनना चाहिए।
किसमें बेटा?
सर कुछ नहीं सर।
अच्छा आप पूछिए बेटा, आप कौन पूछ रहे थे अगला क्वेश्चन? And who was asking something?
Sir, I was asking कि you told that Kruskal has a demerit rather than the Prim's method. Sir, so why are we actually focusing on the intermediate steps? We just need to find out the basic result, which is showing that it is not.
Yes. That is why we are using Kruskal. That is why Kruskal is being used. है ना? Kruskal तो यूज होती है, अभी भी यूज होती है, बट है ना आउटपुट इसका करेक्ट मिल रहा है ना हमको। आउटपुट इज नॉट व्हाट वी एक्चुअली, आउटपुट इज एक्चुअली द आउटपुट व्हाट वी वांट। Okay, so we are not focusing on the intermediate steps. You are right, but still I was like comparing Prims and Kruskal. That's why I have like stated that particular statement.
Okay, sir.
Okay, somewhere I need to compare Kruskal and Prims ना, so मैं कैसे compare करूँ कि क्या difference है इसमें और इसमें? So that's why I have stated that particular statement कि in intermediate steps I am creating a forest in Kruskal. Definitely in Viva and in interviews you may get this question also. Ki what is the difference between Kruskal and Prims? Why we are using these two? Similarly on sorting, why we are having multiple sorting algorithms instead, like even if all the sorting algorithms are working and they are producing the same result and correct outputs. हमारे पास 10 sorting algorithm क्यों हैं जब सभी एक जैसे output produce कर रही हैं, sorting ही तो कर रही हैं. So we should have the difference between, we should know the difference between actually. So I want to discuss the difference. That's why I have discussed that particular thing with you all. Okay. So in Kruskal, we are actually creating a forest intermediately, but in Prims we will not creating a forest intermediately. उसमें हम totally connected graph ही create करेंगे हर step के ऊपर. Okay. Now we will see how. कैसे होगा ये बताओ. कोई बता सकता है? A guess. Any guess? Keep that thing in your mind. Suppose you are here and we have added the first edge. Now I am adding this edge in this and it is creating a forest. So what I should do so that this will not create a forest? What I should do? क्या करना चाहिए मुझे कि forest create नहीं हो?
सर जो दो vertices पहले used हुई थी, we need to make the graph from there only. We need to initiate from there.
Very good. That is the only thing we need to use in the Prims algorithm. So everyone has got the thing.
The previous tree only.
Very good. You are also right. Ki we need to start from only those vertices that have already been added into the tree. So right now only 1 and 2 has been, 1 and we can say 4 has been added into the tree. Okay. So our next edge that I need to pick should start from either V1 or V4. That's it. So I will pick the minimum edge which is starting from either V1 or V4. Are you getting this point? So in this way we will always be connected. हम हाँ बोलो.
Sir, it means Prism algorithm doesn't depend on loops or cycle.
नहीं, again the same thing you will need to careful. Like हमें cycles को avoid करना है. If I am getting that particular edge which is creating a cycle, then I will discard it. It will remain as it is. उसमें कोई वो कुछ नहीं है. वो तो मिनिमम स्पैनिंग ट्री में जो फाइनल आउटपुट आता है उसके अंदर साइकिल थोड़ी होते हैं. तो साइकिल वी विल अवॉइड, है ना. साइकिल तो हम यहाँ भी अवॉइड करेंगे. बट इन Kruskal we are free to pick any edge. Okay, that's why we have make a sorted list of this one, and we are moving around along as per this list is with us. We are taking the first edge, second edge, third edge, fourth edge, and so on. But in Prince, we will not move in this manner. We have to pick carefully. But ये चीज तो हमें ध्यान रखनी कि साइकिल क्रिएट नहीं हो. That's it. वो तो हमें यहाँ पर ही फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. Is it okay now? So now
Sir, I
suppose
cannot understand what to say, sir.
अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको एग्जांपल. ओके, सो समझ में आएगा आपको. So now I am coming on to this example of Prim's algorithm. Same graph I have taken, as list I have made, but right now we need not to sort it. हमें इसको sort करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But we will start from the first edge that has the minimum weight. वो हमें ध्यान रखना है. So first edge is same, okay, that I am picking up, that is V1 to V2. Is it okay? Because V1 to V4 is having a weight which is 1. I can also pick V6 to V7, does not matter at all. Okay, so in this I am going to take a edge which is, let me again mark the same thing so that you will not get confused. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So I am picking up an edge which is V1 and V4, and it has a weight 1. Okay, now the next edge I will pick, that is starting from either V1 or V4. So look at that particular edge list and find out the edges which are, or you can directly see into the graph, the edges which are starting from V1 and V4. So I have an option. How many options I am having? This one, this one, this one, and this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The edges
The
which
V4
are
and V5.
okay. Multiple
So
edges.
we have many. Huh.
Yes, we have many. Sorry. So these many edges are there that are starting from V1 to or V4. अभी समझ में आया आपको ब्रजकिशोर कि अगली एज कौन सी पिक करनी है हमें, जो कि V1 से स्टार्ट हो रही हो या फिर V4 से स्टार्ट हो रही हो.
ओके सर, आ गया समझ में.
सो V1, इससे क्या होगा बेटा, ग्राफ कनेक्टेड रहेगा, अब डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं होगा ग्राफ. जैसे मैंने ये वाली एज पिक करी, मान लीजिए जैसा मैंने क्रस्टल में किया था, ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था. ओके, नाउ हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ग्राफ कनेक्टेड रहे. सो V1, फ्रॉम V1 आई एम हैविंग टू एजेस, दैट इज V1 V3 and V1 V2, and this one also is there, V1 that we have already picked actually. तो ये तो ऑटोमेटिकली हट गई, सॉरी. एंड V4 से मेरे पास जो एज स्टार्ट हो रही है वो ये हो रही है 2, 8, 6, 7, 3. So now tell me which one is the minimum out of these three?
1, 2.
V1, V2, and V3, V4.
V1, V2, and V3, V4. Very good. 2 edges are there that I can pick. Now again look at that. Which one is creating cycle? No one is
So
creating
neither
cycle.
of the two.
No
Very
one,
good.
sir.
No one. So I can pick any of the edge. Is it okay now? Either I can pick this one or this one, no matter at all. You will see that definitely that edge will be included. Okay. Now I am having how many vertices to look from where I can start? 3 vertices.
3 vertices.
So out of these 3, I can pick one of the edge. Look at that graph again. Okay. So now in this, I can change the color. Okay. So this I have added, and this already we have added. So now this edge is also been added now. V2 से भी हम start कर सकते हैं, तो ये 10 नंबर की edge और add हो गई मेरे पास. Yes or no? So I am having these. How many? Now I am having these many options: 4, 2, 8, like 3, 6, 7, and 10. So which edge I will pick now?
So pick V3 and V4.
V3 and V4.
Very good. So next edge will be V3 and V4. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now V2 will also be there. So V2 से भी हम start करेंगे edges को pick करना. So this 5 will also be there now in my list. Is it okay? So now tell me which edge we will pick now. 1, 2 we have picked up. Now 3. Chance of 3 is there. So will 3 be creating a cycle?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we will
So we
discard.
can pick V4 to V7.
We can pick 4. Next one is 4.
No, sir, we cannot pick it.
Because it will also create a cycle. Then
V3 to
V4,
V6.
V3 to
V6.
V6.
Or sir, V4 to V7.
V4 to
V4 to
V7.
V7.
Because
Yes,
it is V rated.
yes, it is 4. So we will take a edge of V4 to V7. Okay, this one. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now V7 will also be included. So from V7 I am having this one, 1 and 6. Now let's find out which one is the minimum 8.
V6 and V7.
V6 and V7.
So is it creating a cycle?
No, sir.
No,
So we
sir.
will add this one. So in this we will have added this one. Okay.
अब
And now
V2 और V5.
finally क्या ऐड होगा इसमें अब?
V2 to V5.
V2 to V5. V2 to V5 is 10. So 10 will be added, or some other edge which has a lesser weight can be added.
So V5 to V7.
V5 to 6. So look at that. Can I add this edge 5? This one. Can I add this edge?
So please show the diagram.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
साइकिल बना रही है.
बिल्कुल 5 वाला हम ऐड नहीं करेंगे. आते हैं हम 6 के ऊपर. इसके बाद 6 वाला ये है V5 to V7. So can we add this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
कर
sir.
सकते हैं.
So this will the add. This will the last edge. Now look at that. This will be my minimum spanning tree, and it is very much similar to that which we have obtained in the previous one. So दोनों में हमने same minimum spanning tree obtain किया with the same weight, that is 16, and but we have used two different methods. 99% cases में दोनों algorithms के through we will get the same output. Okay, but I will try to show you an example in which we can get the different options, different output also. Okay, so right now is it okay? Both the methods are clear to you all? So algorithm में
मैथड तो सर समझ में आ गया, लेकिन इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है ये नहीं आया.
खुद ही बताओ डिफरेंस क्या है बेटा. जब आपको मेथड समझ में आ गए तो डिफरेंस भी पता होनी चाहिए. अब तो ये क्या हुआ, यदि मेथड समझ में आ गया है लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं लगा डिफरेंस क्या है, ऐसे तो बहुत अजीब सी बात है. दिस इज वेरी लाइक ऑड थिंग यू आर सेइंग. Can anybody discuss us what is the difference between these two?
Sir, one difference is of the forest one, sir.
Yes, that is the only difference. We are creating a forest in Kruskal algorithm and we are not creating a forest in the Prim's algorithm. जैसा हमने यहाँ दिखाया, देखा हमने, we have seen that in this figure number 2 we are creating two different trees, so it is creating a forest. But in Prim's algorithm we are not doing this way. We are picking the next edge that has this will start from the vertices that has already been into the tree. So in this way it will not create a like tree. In this you see in figure 2 it is only a tree, it is not a forest now. Difference clear हो गया?
Yes sir, हो गया.
So now the algorithm we can have a same algorithm with a small change. Like you can say that in step number 6 the changes are there. At the another edge, while adding an edge, take care the one end of the edge should always be in the skeleton tree and its cost should be minimum. And I should also write that it will not create a cycle. I have forgotten it. And minimum and will not create a cycle. So is it okay? Anybody wants to ask anything in this regard? Prim's and Kruskal algorithm.
सर एक डाउट है सर, स्पाइनिंग ट्री डायरेक्टेड हो सकता है?
Directed can also be possible, but for now in your syllabus we have only undirected spanning tree, because in the direction it will becoming very difficult to find out the spanning tree. डायरेक्शन के केस में हमें और भी कुछ एल्गोरिथम्स लगानी, मतलब और भी कुछ कंडीशंस लगानी पड़ेंगी, बिकॉज इन डायरेक्शन एक्चुअली जब हम उसको रिमूव करने की कोशिश करेंगे साइकिल्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइकिल बनेगी नहीं बनेगी ये भी हमें पता नहीं होता डायरेक्शन के, है ना, क्योंकि हम डायरेक्शन उसमें चेक करनी पड़ेगी कि साइकिल क्रिएट कर रही है या नहीं कर रही। So it is possible to create a spanning tree for the directed graph also, but right now we have only this in our syllabus. That's why I have discussed only this thing.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anything else anybody wants to ask? Now we have left with now one more thing in the graph, that is Disgastra's algorithm. Again, a single source shortest path algorithm. उसके बाद हमारा ग्राफ खत्म हो जाएगा, एंड देन द लास्ट टॉपिक विल बी हैशिंग इन आवर सिलेबस दैट वी विल डू. Okay, so we have left with two topics now, Disgastras and hashing, and I will try to finish like by Saturday. So if you have any doubt in this Kruskal and Prim's algorithm spanning tree, so you can ask. Till then I am going to take attendance. Yes, anyone has any question?
सर अभी तो नहीं है.
Can I give you a graph for which you can find out the spanning tree? Okay, we have a graph in our PPT only. This one. Now, can anybody like give us the idea that how we can find out the minimum spanning tree of this one, this graph? And answer is also there actually.
सर जो साइकिल क्रिएट कर रही होंगी उनको हटा देंगे, उन एजेस को डायरेक्टली तो मिटा देंगे.
Actually, this is very simple. Actually, in this, all the edges has the different weights. 5, 6, and all the edges are different weights. So it's a simple actually. So I will give you another example. Okay, as an assignment. So I am going to throw a quiz, one more quiz on the Google Classroom. Okay, so most probably tomorrow we will have that assignment on graph. जो अब तक हमने पढ़ा है उसमें. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we can stop. No doubt is there, so it is okay. I think I have cleared all the things. So now I am going to stop. You can leave now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.